Lakeside Book is the largest book manufacturer in North America and also a book distributor in North America. We're in Appleton, Wisconsin at what we call our Lake Park facility. We warehouse approximately 40 million books currently and ship about 65 million books a year for our publishing customers.
Lakeside was looking for a solution for automating depalletizing their books. It was a very intensive process with multiple employees, with strenuous work.
We had anywhere from 7 to 15 employees doing nothing but manually labeling, lifting, piling down, very, very physical work.
The greatest challenge of this project was to accommodate for all the uneven packing that was done on these pallets.
We're building pallets manually. All the boxes are different shapes and sizes, directing them to the robot, loading directly onto the robot.
We worked with APT to set up an IR vision camera, the FANUC IPC box, and some sensors so that whenever someone at Lakeside was depalletizing and doing the manual process, we were able to collect data and take photos of the pallet itself, exactly how the robot would see it. And we were able to take those images, retrain the model, and then verify and deal with some extra edge cases with the larger subset of images.
APT, we did our research on the programming with the PLC and HMI interface for the end user. Once the pallet is within the pick area, the vision system takes a picture snapshot of the unit load, and it picks the cases from the pallet and places them to the outfeed conveyor. We had to write code to manipulate the tool frame to center the box on each zone that we wanted to use based off measurement tool from the vision system.
The reason that we chose to utilize APT and FANUC was because of FANUC's 3D vision system. It's incredibly unique to this industry, and especially with this application, dealing with so many different sizes of product.
The AI box locator uses deep learning for segmentation. We augmented it with traditional vision tools, like looking for the highest box just to make sure we didn't miss anything and prevent any unnecessary downtime for the system. This system uses the FANUC IPC box, and it really just helps augment the vision process. It plugs directly into the controller. It has seamless integration with current vision processes as well as new systems.
We're able to tackle two issues for us. The ergonomics issue on our staff, the wear and tear on our staff, the potential safety hazard, but also the throughput. And we're eliminating about 45 million pounds of lifting for our staff annually. We're an innovative company. We want to be the best, and we're always looking for new technology and ways to do that.